Fixing Google Chrome not opening is very simple. For this one, all you have to do is open up the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and then clicking on Task Manager. Now once it's open up, go ahead and click on Search and type in Chrome. Find Chrome if you do find it, and then click on End Task. And now open it up again and see if it works now. Normally this will fix it. If it still doesn't work, you can go ahead and type in Search Google Chrome, then right-click on it and then click on Open File Location. Now do the same thing again. And now once you're here, all you have to do is click on it again and rename it. Now just bring a number beside the name, like a 3 for example, and then once you renamed it, you can open it up again and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, you might have to reinstall the whole thing, the browser I mean, and for that all you have to do is click on Search, type in Settings, then go into it, now go to Apps and then Installed Apps. And in Search, type in Chrome, you will find Google Chrome right here. Click the 3 dots, then click on Uninstall. Now go to Edge or something, one of the browsers right there, and then go ahead and type in Google Chrome. Click the first one, or click Download Chrome, and now just click on it. Happy fixing Google Chrome not opening, and have fun.